Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video from our channel. It's easier than ever for anyone to start a business with or without business experience in this new online age. The cool thing about starting an online business is the freedom you get to make money from anywhere. However, there are plenty of small business ideas available out there, and deciding on one can be quite a task. In today's video, we'll bring you the 10 best online business ideas. But before we begin with the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. The e-commerce business model was widely adopted by people during the COVID era, as many brick-and-mortar businesses had to close and many people had shifted to selling their products online. People are now getting used to buying and selling online, so why not make the best of the situation? Individuals with some unique business ideas can take their businesses online and reach a wide range of audiences with the help of different online platforms and tools. The first thing to note as a first-time entrepreneur is that some business ideas have really high potential and some don't. Therefore, it's essential to analyze the market space to discover which online business has good potential. We have done some research to compare the success rate of different e-commerce businesses despite the disruption caused by the pandemic. After a thorough investigation, we have compiled 10 online business ideas that can help young entrepreneurs make good money. Number 10. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to make money online without needing to invest or buy products in advance. Dropshipping might be the answer if you're worried about where to store your inventory or run your business. With a dropshipping business, you can sell online by taking the customer's orders and then seek out a third-party wholesaler or retailer who handles the inventory handling and order fulfillment side of the business. You'll have to then sell your product at a higher price than the third-party supplier for this method to work. Number 9. SEO consulting. If you have a good knowledge of SEO or search engine optimization, then you might consider starting a consulting business for companies with websites. With the rise of online business, many companies and brands are now obsessed with staying ahead of their competitors by ranking high and turning their searchers into customers. However, only a small percentage of these people have in-depth knowledge of SEO, schema, link building, and other digital marketing methods. A good SEO consultant will help you to analyze how a brand's website is doing and prescribe an effective strategy that increases traffic and customers. This business is in demand today, and if it's something you're good at, then you must consider launching your idea. Number 8. Virtual online training. The pandemic has shown everyone, including the education sector, that learning doesn't have to stop even in crisis. In 2020, many people had to study online, offline-based institutions moved online, and people with the skill sets in specific areas translated their knowledge into online courses and training. It is, however, true that there are already so many online learning platforms. However, the demand for them keeps increasing. Many people are now turning to online platforms to learn new skills and access valuable resources. Whether fitness, digital marketing, SEO, or UI/UX design, whatever niche you're good at, 2022 is a great time to package your knowledge and skills and sell that to the people. Some ways to sell your online course are organizing online training sessions, self-publishing a valuable ebook, and making tutorial videos. If you cannot decide what to sell as a course, leverage apps like social triggers that teach people how to sell what they know. Number 7. Become a freelance app developer or web designer. Technology has made app and software development a great niche to start an online business. Also, more and more companies now need app developers to create mobile apps and websites. Chances are that anyone who wants to start an online business at this time would need a website, and they themselves may not have the technical know-how to create it on their own. Also, existing sites are always looking to upgrade and improve their sites to meet the needs of their customers. If you're creative and have an interest in coding, HTML, CSS, and other aspects of web designing, then being a freelance web designer could be one of the best online business ideas for you. Meanwhile, if you have no experience in this field, you can also leverage valuable web design resources, courses, and tutorials available for beginners. Number 6. Freelance graphic designer writer. Freelancers enjoy their flexibility and they have the chance to accept projects to fit their schedules. Also, with freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, freelancers get to decide what to work on and who to work with, and also the timings are very flexible. If you have a flair for graphic design, then you can showcase your work and cater to the demands of small and large businesses. Almost every online brand requires the services of a designer to create some infographics, logos, posters, and other visual designs. Also, if you have writing skills, then you can also use your talent to get job offers to write blog posts, ebooks, and sales copy from people across the globe. Number 5. DIY craft seller. Do you love design and crafts, art, and aesthetics? If yes, then now is a great time to build a storefront to showcase and sell handmade crafts or art. If you have some beautiful handcraft that you make at home, you can sell them on an e-commerce store. And if you cannot make the goods yourself, you can also get a supplier and sell it online. Also, creatives like photographers and artists can convert their beautiful works and canvases into a source of income on their very own e-commerce store. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing works through recommending a product or service by sharing their referral link on your blog, social media, email, or social media platforms. Every time someone clicks your referral link or makes an order through the link, you'll get a commission. Many businesses today are looking for affiliate marketers to help them generate customers through effective word-of-mouth marketing. Sites like Amazon offer some really good affiliate programs that work well for people looking to start in this niche. You can also consider other affiliate programs that'll suit your brand and niche. Number 3. Become a social media influencer. An influencer earns through various brand sponsorships. They work by helping brands promote their products or services on their social media page. Usually, influencers have a large following on social media, and then people see them as experts in a particular niche. For example, if you often post fashion tips and have a large following, you can then become an influencer for fashion brands and get paid for promoting their services. Another great thing about influencer marketing is the number of platforms available to use. You can also start a podcast, become a TikToker, create a YouTube channel, or an Instagram account. The point of influencer marketing is to become an expert in one or more niches and then build a presence and have a lot of following. And you can get paid for promoting people's products. Number 2. Social media management. It's safe to assume that every brand now understands the importance of social media marketing to promote their products or services. Social media is an integral part of online marketing, and it's no wonder that many businesses are now investing in it. However, managing their own social media accounts is not an option for many business owners due to various other tasks that require their attention. They would rather outsource this job to social media enthusiasts and experts who understand the social media world better and are able to manage their pages. Number 1. Niche market retailer. Whether it's clothing, furniture, or pet supplies, there are buyers for almost everything today. If you don't consider yourself skilled at social media management, affiliate marketing, or other online business ideas, then you can even create an e-commerce store to sell specific products. You can do some research first to see what products you could sell on your online store. Setting up an e-commerce store is relatively easy nowadays, and you can create your hosting service with integrated e-commerce software to list your products on an e-commerce marketplace. With that, we come to the end of today's video. Do let us know your views on this video in the comment section below. We hope that you found these business ideas useful. We hope that you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, then do leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss out on a video from us. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the next one.